Hi, I'm Hololina. Welcome to my channel. As you know, I am originally from the planet Neptune. I am not from your Earth. I'm sure a lot of you are interested in my planet. You only know what your scientists have researched about my planet, and that's all you will ever know. I cannot talk too much about Neptune due to the safety of our home. There isn't a lot of information I can give you. But I will give you the information that your planet knows. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the 4th largest planet by diameter, the 3rd most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Neptune is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Neptune is denser and physically smaller than Uranus because its greater mass causes more gravitational compression of its atmosphere. Neptune orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years at an average distance of 30.10, 4.5 billion kilometers. It is named after the Roman god of the sea and has the astronomical symbol, a stylized version of the god Neptune's trident. Neptune is not visible from your planet to the unaided eye and is the only planet in the solar system found by mathematical prediction rather than by empirical observation. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Neptune's atmosphere is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, along with traces of hydrocarbons and possibly nitrogen, though it contains a higher proportion of ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. Traces of methane in the outermost regions in part account for the planet's blue appearance. Some of the earliest recorded observations ever made through a telescope, Galileo's drawings on December 28, 1612 and January 27, 1613 contain plotted points that match up with what is now known to be the position of Neptune. On both occasions, Galileo seems to have mistaken Neptune for a fixed star when it appeared close in conjunction to Jupiter in the night sky, hence, he is not credited with Neptune's discovery. At high altitudes, Neptune's atmosphere is 80% hydrogen and 19% helium. A trace amount of methane is also present. Prominent absorption bands of methane exist at wavelengths above 600 nm, in the red and infrared portion of the spectrum. Neptune's atmosphere is subdivided into two main regions, the lower troposphere, where temperature decreases with altitude, and the stratosphere, where temperature increases with altitude. The boundary between the two, the tropopause, lies at a pressure of 0.1 bars, 10 kPa. Neptune's weather is characterized by extremely dynamic storm systems, with winds reaching speeds of almost 600 mph, 2,200 km per hour, 1,300 miles per hour, nearly reaching supersonic flow. The general pattern of winds showed prograde rotation at high latitudes versus retrograde rotation at lower latitudes. The difference in flow direction is thought to be a skin effect and not due to any deeper atmospheric processes. The average distance between Neptune and the Sun is 4.5 billion kilometers, about 30.1 astronomical units, and it completes an orbit on average every 164.79 years, subject to a variability of around plus or minus 0.1 years. Neptune's orbit has a profound impact on the region directly beyond it, known as the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a ring of small icy worlds, similar to the asteroid belt but far larger, extending from Neptune's orbit at 30 out to about 55 from the Sun. On July 11, 2011, Neptune completed its first full barycentric orbit since its discovery in 1846. Neptune has 14 known moons. Triton is the largest Neptunian moon, comprising more than 99.5% of the mass in orbit around Neptune, and it is the only one massive enough to be spheroidal. Unlike all other large planetary moons in the solar system, Triton has a retrograde orbit, indicating that it was captured rather than forming in place. It was probably once a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt. It is close enough to Neptune to be locked into a synchronous rotation, and it is slowly spiraling inward because of tidal acceleration. Your planet sure does know a lot about my planet. I'm sure you're wondering if any of it is true or not. But I can announce that. That's it for now, Earthlings. See you at my next presentation video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated. Follow me on IG at HoloLena Hologram. Goodbye. Until next time.